co-curator of Back Mango Consultants. Welcome to the exhibition Route 77 held here at the Bob Marley Museum. Route 77 came about as a part of the celebration of Bob Marley's 77th birthday celebration, which is deemed to be somewhat a year-long exposure for the museum. Route 77 is a collection of artworks curated or juried from an open call that was sent out by the museum for artists to submit works based upon the 7 roots of Bob Marley, which is the larger theme of the celebration for this year.